Secret of Happiness Part 4. Hello everyone. Welcome to the grand finale. This is Secret of Happiness Part 4. In the last 3 parts, we learned a lot how to live in the present, how to avoid comparison, and why to eat salad instead of pizza. Suppose you followed all of this. Your body is fit, your mind is calm, and you have no quarrels with anyone. But, do you still feel like something is missing? Look at this. It's a 2 lakh rupee phone. Its battery is full, the screen is awesome. But if there is no app installed in it and no internet, then what is its use? This is just an expensive paperweight. Our life is just like that too. Despite having everything, if there is no purpose, meaning and objective, then we are just living on standby mode. Today, we're going to find the source code of your life. There's a concept in Japan called ikigai. It means the reason to wake up in the morning. Are you waking up in the morning just because the alarm rang? Or is there some work that pulls you out of bed? In psychology, this is called the flow state. Remember, what was the last task where you completely lost track of time while doing it? Maybe it was painting, coding, playing cricket, or helping people. When you are in this flow, your ego disappears. You don't remain, only the work remains. That's why I'm telling you, this is the most efficient state of your operating system. Here the CPU usage is 100%, but overheating is 0. If you want to be happy, then dedicate at least half an hour of the day to such work, in which you forget yourself. Now I'll tell you a secret, which big philosophers and now neuroscience have accepted. True, lasting happiness is not in taking, but in giving. When you selflessly help someone, oxytocin and endorphins are released in the brain. In science, this is called the helper's high. Look, nature's algorithm is very simple. You lived for yourself equals limited happiness. You did something for others equals unlimited happiness. This service doesn't mean you need to go to some ashram. Giving a smile and saying good morning to your building's watchman or helping someone cross the road. This is also a small system update that instantly fixes your mood. Come on, let's put this all together now. What exactly is the secret of happiness? Part 1. Happiness is not outside, it is right here. Present moment. Part 2. Do not compare yourself with anyone. No comparison. Part 3. Don't make your body a dustbin. Nice health. Part 4. Connect with something bigger than yourself. Purpose/service. Happiness is not some destination where you can go and put up a board. I am happy. Happiness is a method of travel. Problems will come, viruses will come. But if your mindset is strong, then your system will not crash. Friends, this 4-part series ends right here, but your journey has started now. These videos are not just for information. They are for taking action. Keep searching for your ikigai. Like, share, and subscribe to channel.